Hello guys, my name is Max and this is my travel vlog. So today I am in Luang Prabang. If you want to know how to get here, see my previous video. And in this video I'll search what to see in the city. I started my day here by going to the Mekong river and a place where another river goes to the Mekong. So it's a perfect place for the drone and to get the shot of the whole city and to get the idea of geography of the city. Take a look. So I make some couple of Mavic shots and now I'll go back to the city and to the huts to check what's around there. To get on the other side it's needed to cross the bridge, wooden bridge which crosses this small river which comes to Mekong, and it costs 10,000 kip. I don't know if it's worth it, but for me I just wanna find like safe place without for the drone mostly. But if you like, you know, why not make some cool activity like crossing a wooden bridge. So here's the river bank. It looks like that. Just some small shops, small restaurants and hotels on the left side across the road. My next stop is the Fauzi Stupa. It is located in the center of this town. And the home now is over, so it's like I step into the forest and going to the temple. I hope there will be some bridge in the forest to try to launch the drone. So just bought a ticket to get to the up to the stupa. And to end the b-roll there is a video of the local cat. This was the Fuji mountain which offers a view. Offer a view, a stupa and some Buddha statues. So mostly it's like very nice to visit. Mostly for like physics, to make climbing. The view is fine, but I think the drone photo should be very more interesting. So this was the Fuji mountain, and now I'm going back to the Luang Prabang. The mountain is located very nice, it's like center of the city and offers you almost like 360 view around it. So if you don't mind climbing, go here. On evening every tourist go to the night market. It's a place to eat and to buy some souvenirs. There are all kinds of souvenirs and clothes. And they also offer here cheap food. So for me I went there just to eat. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to look at the amazing view on the city from the plane.